Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time watching, then welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this gold cut crease festival look. It's very over the top and extra, which is what I really wanted to do with my latest look. I recently recreated a look. I'm not even going to attempt to say the name because I just don't know how to do it. I don't want to embarrass myself, so pop the name up there. And it really stood out to me because it was just full of glitter and colourful and just so much fun and over the top, which is what I really love about makeup and what I love to create. So I recreated this look, and then I was like, well, now I want to try integrate this style into my own style and do something inspired by this makeup artist. I'll pop her link down below for you guys as well, so you can go check her out. Her stuff is really amazing. These lashes that I'm wearing are quite over the top as well. I definitely would not wear these lashes out if I was going to wear this to a festival or something like that. I would definitely change the lashes, but for the purpose of my Instagram photo, I'm wearing these lashes because they are the most hugest, most full of volume lashes that I have. I had so much fun creating this look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So if you would like to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. So I've already got my eyebrows done, and I've also applied a base just to the crease and upwards because I'm going to be wiping away all the stuff that's on my lid anyway, so there's really no need to put any base there. And the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my Lime Crime Venus XL palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade here called Idolised and just popping that on a fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to be applying this to my crease and bringing it out in a bit of a winged shape. Alright, so we've got the transition shade on the eye. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same palette and go in with this shade here called Burnt Gold and a domed crease brush, and I'm just going to put this in the crease and bring it out and just darken up basically what I've just done. And I will be going back in with the blending brush and the lighter colour and just using that to blend it all together nicely. Okay, the sun's going down now, so the lighting is going to get a little bit weird. It's my first time trying to film at night time, so we'll see how this goes, if I can do this on a regular basis. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean up my eyelid. So I'm going to be taking some micellar water and a flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to remove the product on my eye and bring it out in a winged shape, and then I'll be wiping it off using a little cotton tip. Now I'm going to be taking my NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner, and this is in the shade Vivid Halo, and I'm going to apply this all the way along where I've just put that cut crease. Okay, so I've got that liner on there. It doesn't matter if it's not completely perfect because what we're going to do now is clean that up. So I'm going to be taking my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0 and a flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to go in and carve out my crease, make sure that liner is nice and tidy, and I'm going to bring that base right down onto my eyelid as well. Okay, so the crease is all carved out. Now I'm going to add in some colour onto the eyelid. So I'm going to be going in with those same two shades from the crease, and I'm also going to take this shade here called Blank Canvas, and I'm going to apply the darkest shade closest to my lash line and out in a bit of a winged shape, and then I'm going to blend that outwards with the lighter shade and the Blank Canvas shade to create a bit of a smoky winged liner kind of effect. And to apply those eyeshadows, I'm just going to go in with these three all over shader brushes. Okay, next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to add in another kind of bit of liner. I don't know how to explain this type of stuff, but yeah, like what I did with the yellow, I'm going to do with another colour, and I'm going to, instead of have it follow the same line as the yellow, it's going to go up and then it's going to pop through on at the top of the crease and come out. Oh my god, I'm so bad at explaining, I'm sorry. So I'm going to be using my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0 and applying it with a little eyeliner brush. Alright, so I've got that second wing drawn on. I haven't set it or added anything to it just yet. I'm just going to try and see if it dries by itself, and in the meantime I'm going to go do my face makeup, and then I'll be back to show you guys the rest of the look. While I was doing my makeup, I realised that the base had transferred to my eyelid, so I'm just going to fix that up now before I go any further. Okay, now to add some glitter to that white line we've got there. So to do that, I'm taking my NYX glitter primer and a eyeliner brush. I'm just going to go over that first, and then I will be using this eyeliner brush and this gold glitter from this glitter palette that I've got, and I'm just going to place that on top afterwards. But I'm going to do it in sections so that the primer doesn't dry before I get a chance to put the glue on. Okay, so the glitter's on there now, and it's not just where I want it to be, it's pretty much everywhere. So if you can see, it's spread out a lot and it's not so defined. So now I'm going to have to clean that up. I don't really know how I'm going to do it just yet. The first step that I'm going to do is I'm taking this, it's just a ratty old brush, it's all stiff and hard, and I'm going to try flick away the glitter that's not where I want it to be, and then I will come up with something else after that. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my base again and a little eyeliner brush. This is one I've already used for my base. You can't even see it because it's all white. There you go. And I'm just going to try clean up the edges here. I'm not actually sure if this is going to even cover the glitter, but I'm just going to give it a go anyway and hope for the best. Alright, now I'm just going to set it with that blank canvas shade. And now I'm just going to bring that medium shade up, Idolised, and just try to blend those together a bit so it looks normal. Now I'm just going to bring those same crease colours under the eye to smoke out the lower lash line. So yeah, I'm just going to be using the same brushes that I was using before. So these two, this one for the darker shade and this one for the lighter shade. I'm just putting that blank canvas shade on a fluffy blending brush just to help blend that out a bit. In my waterline, I'm going to be applying this MAC lip pencil in the shade Spice. Oh my gosh, I just realised I've got all this base in my hair. That happens to me surprisingly often. I need to just tie it all back. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to add some highlight. I am going to be doing some more details and touching up the eye area, but I just want to get this out of the way first. I'm taking my Lime Crime Opals highlight and I'm going to go in with this shade here called Gold, and I'm just going to be applying this to my tear duct, my brow bone, my cheekbone, my nose, my cupid's bow, everywhere basically, and I'm just going to be using these two brushes for that. Okay, so the skin is glowing now. That's so blinding. I absolutely love the Lime Crime highlighters. They're so good. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and touch up the yellow line I've got going on. So using that same eyeliner. Okay, now I'm going to be adding some more glitter, so I'm going to take my glitter primer again, and I've got these two little containers here. This one here, which is kind of just a chunky yellow gold glitter, and then got this one which is even more chunkier. It's like hexagonal, little hexagons in there. I'm going to go in with the smaller glitter first and then add in some more chunky bits on top. Now I'm just going to take some of these little gold rhinestones and using some lash glue, this is by the Shania Rose collection, I'm going to stick these on in multiple different places on my eyes. Alright, now the last thing left to do is just to apply mascara and lashes. So the lashes that I'm going to be using are my XO Beauty Faux Mink lashes, and these ones are in the style Exotic. I'm going to go do that off camera and then I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Okay, so here we have the completed look with lashes. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I wasn't even sure what I was going to be doing. I kind of just made it up as I went along, but I knew that I wanted to make it really over the top and extra and full of glitter and diamantes and everything, so I wanted to try and squeeze as much of that in there as possible, but I also wanted to keep it gold themed and kind of neutral eyeshadow colours. So yeah, I'm really happy with the way that it turned out, obviously, because I already said that. It's quite effective, like looking at it from afar. The lashes that I've used are very full of volume, they're crazy huge. And when you look at me like this, you can see probably that the way that I've applied them kind of differently, and so they look different, but that's just the way these lashes go. I've found with the Exotic lashes that every time I apply them, I guess it depends on how far inward I put them on my eye, it makes them look quite different. Yeah, you probably wouldn't have that problem with any other lashes, it's just these ones, I guess. It also would be a lot easier if you just had a gold glitter liner, but I don't have one in gold, so I had to just kind of wing it and use the glitter primer and the glitter, which probably took up a lot more time than it needed to, and I ended up having to clean it up and the glitter went everywhere. So definitely if you have a gold glitter liner, that would make it so much easier. And obviously you don't have to put on all that extra glitter and diamantes. I didn't do that on this eye, and the reason I did that is because when I take my photo for Instagram, you're not even going to see it anyway, so I didn't want to go and do that and waste my time just so that I can take it off again. And then I guess you can see how it would look if it was a bit more basic as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please thumbs up and subscribe and tick that little bell button so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.